Alright, we out here with Steven at his house again.
Hey guys.
So, long story short, we're finally washing the car. It needs a much needed bath. As you guys can see, here's his car. It's probably pretty clean as is. Wraps, I'm missing that wrap life because it's so much easier to wash. But we'll go ahead and clean this car up. It's filthy. I have a spider web growing on the other side.
A spider web growing?
Or, I don't know. Yeah, it's cake. The wheels are filthy. This thing hasn't been washed since I picked it up from Adam's, which is kind of sad. But let's do it.
What the fuck is this?
Car is pretty clean for the most part. Thought I'd take this time to tell you guys also what's going to be going on with my car. And if all you guys wonder, it's pronounced Maca, not Maca, stuff like that. Power steering is leaking, so 15 STI steering rack is in the works. Gang, 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 gang. But so 15 STI steering rack will go in. Not sure when I'll do track days, maybe winter time or next winter. Kind of want to enjoy the car as is. I see a dirty spot I'll have to get. And I think besides the steering rack, I think just the way it is right now is perfect. I gotta hit a cruise again. I found that definitely with the STI steering rack or the STI 6-speed swap, the gear ratios on page mill is quite different than the WRX. So got to figure out that gear ratios and definitely some pulls. We got some races maybe. I don't know. Cough, cough.
Possibly.
Cough, cough.
Possibly.
And cough, cough. Maybe the Miata too.
Right, the Miata just gets smoked on.
Yeah. But just be playing around in this car. No new mods that I can tell in the near future. Yeah, if you guys don't remember, it made 450 wheel horsepower by 430 wheel torque at 22 pounds of boost, which is not even close to what this turbo can do. Granted, we are on basically a stock case, so it's not this sleeve motor that I used to have. So if you guys are a little late or new to the channel, I did swap turbos, I did change the motors, and I got rid of some stuff and added a whole lot of oil stuff. And if you guys want to know why, you'll see the videos down in my related videos. But I think that's covers it. If there's anything else that comes up, I'll let you guys know, but gotta finish cleaning the car for BAM. Steven's new Miata. Man, this color though, this color looks really familiar.
Hey, here, hang on.
Oh,
Got the Soren materials.
oh yeah. Oh, I already like it better than Chase's.
Oh, yep. You can actually get inside of it.
Yeah.
That's so funny. Oh yeah. No.
What's up, Clint?
What's up?
How's it going, man?
But we got a pretty cool thing.
Man,
Hey, what up?
Here.
Oh, look. Oh man,
up, bro?
hold on.
What's
I better
up,
get
bro?
the camera.
How you doing, man?
Good. How's it going?
You doing good or what?
Are you on
Yeah.
here, bro? Bro, are you on here?
What's going on, guys?
It's
right
recording.
here. Welcome in BAM 2018.
Alright, Travis will do the coverage of this show again today. You trying to darken it?
No, there you go. I was trying to spot on you.
Yeah.
This thing is sick, dude.
There you go.
Bro, what are we doing today?
Car show.
Eddie, nice to
San
meet you,
Jose
man.
Giant
Eddie?
Stadium.
Nice to meet you.
Hard park like bosses.
Mhm.
Thank you.
So the new wheels.
Hold on, let me show you how you do that. This is the Clint swoop.
The Clint swoop,
You gotta come in like this,
You gotta hit the little
and you
turn.
gotta hit down. That Clint swoop. Like that, and then you come up. Like that. That's how you do that.
Hell yeah.
I mean, who does all his YouTube videos? This seems to be me here lately.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, fucking Travis gonna be the future
Mhm.
vlogger, bro.
Nah, bro, I ain't got that video.
I forgot how I did this.
The struggle.
Everyone got fucking deal. Oh, man, Adam, right? Yeah, Eddie, man.
You guys all remember this car?